Hi everyone, it's Linda with the Non-Toxic Women's Wellness Group, and I wanted to pop on here to let you know of a free 5-day workshop that I'm doing next week, starting Monday, January 17th, and it starts at 7 p.m. And in this workshop, I'm going to discuss a 14-day total body reset for busy women. So if you want to detox, have more energy, develop the right mindset around doing this and then continuing those good results, then please register. So just for registering, you'll get a free booklet with all the information so you can take it home and do it on your own. So what do you have to lose? I'm doing this because one, I need it after the holidays. Two, it provides accountability. And three, I own Total You Health and I'm a certified health and life coach. And I want to bring some of our tried and true non-toxic methods online to help a greater number of people. So click the link to register, post any comments or questions in the group, and I hope to see you all in the group on Monday. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.